Hey guys, welcome back to another Scientology recruitment video. I'm your host, Why Am I Wearing This? And today we'll be making an nxxxxxs type beat. I've gotten quite a few requests to do this, mostly from like one person, but it convinced me to do it. So let's get into it. If you guys can't figure out what's going on, I accidentally deleted the face cam footage for this video. You're gonna be looking at a picture of Stu Pickles for the rest of the video, so enjoy. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna be using Ableton for this. I'm actually gonna start with the drums first because I feel like that'll kind of help me paint the picture I'm going for here. I'm just gonna start with a real nice heavy snare with a lot of reverb. So I'm gonna use a drum rack. Okay, I'm gonna put some reverb on that bitch. Just stock Ableton reverb. Turn up the decay time, maybe like 6 seconds or something. That's perfect. First. Sometimes it's the first sound you hit. For me, there it was the first sound I hit. I felt like there wasn't much to explain there. I turned on the metronome, and then I played the snare to the beat. But what I can explain better is the way it's lined up on the beat here. So it's on the third beat. I guess I'm gonna do some hi-hats next. I'm gonna put a couple different hi-hats, and then put a couple different arpeggiators at different speeds on them. I think this time, instead of having the same hi-hat at different speeds, I'm gonna have different hi-hats at different speeds. Alright, so I'm gonna play hi-hats with the arpeggiators at different speeds. I'm gonna record it. Should know how to do that. Alright, now I got some hi-hats. I'm gonna loop that. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna tweak the timing of this all a little bit. Maybe it should all just be on the one. Hey, there we go. So obviously with this track, I'm gonna be going for something kind of like nxxxxs, but I'm gonna try and infuse my own style in there too. Yeah. Alright, so I have this pad sound here. It's pretty much just saw wave, then oscillator, second oscillator with a saw wave for the 7th rise. There's some unison on each one, various amounts, and then it's run through one filter. So I'm basically, I don't know, I'm just fiddling around in B minor. I don't really know how to explain it really. You can watch the keys on the screen here as I'm playing it. We can maybe tweak this sound a little bit. Let's see what some other waves sound like. I like that. Okay, next we need a melody. So I'm gonna freeze this. That should help us a little bit with our processing. Because my computer is shite. Gonna drag another serum. Gonna either find a sound or make a sound real quick. So I found a sound that I think goes with pretty good here. So I'm gonna play some stuff to it. Alright, next I'm going to find an 808 sample and then put it on a sampler. And then I'm going to play it up a few octaves to check the tuning. It's easier to hear it a few octaves up. Then I'm going to figure out a bass line I like. I think I like this one right here. Now I'm gonna throw some wave shaper on it to give it a little more tone, make it a little richer. Now I'm gonna set the wave shaper. Just gonna fiddle with the settings here. Nothing really in particular. Let's listen to how it sounds now. Now let's sidechain compress the kick to the sample and bass. I'm going to group them all together first before doing that. Then I'm going to do the same with the snare. I'm going to use the look ahead to make sure the timing lines up better. Let's listen to that. Wait, can we recover the face cam footage? Can we recover it? Can we recover it? No. Alright, now let's add some more percussion. Probably gonna use open hats or cymbals. Something like that. Just, I don't know. I like this reverb percussion sound here. I feel like that's kind of similar to what nxxxxs does. That sound. Now I'm gonna tune it. I'm gonna play with the tuning so it sounds right. Let's add some more percussion, because fuck it, why not? Alright, now let's add vocals. Pretty easy. I have Memphis vocal folder. Just grab random shit in there and see what sounds good. This one sounds alright, so I think I'm gonna use this. I'm not really happy with the melody, so I think I'm gonna mute the melody for now and just leave the chords and all this other stuff playing. So yeah, there's our nxxxxs beat. I think it's pretty close to something off of Fujia scale. That's it for this video. Did you enjoy that tutorial on how to make a nxxxxs type beat? Hopefully this is what you were going for. If not, let me know how I can do better. I'm your host Fujia Beats. Check me out on Twitter, SoundCloud, YouTube. I post music, I post tutorials. I also do weekly feedback streams on Saturdays. So check that out on my YouTube. Join my Discord if you want to submit music for it. Check out bloom-audio.com if you haven't for great mixing and mastering services. It's run by me. Check out my Patreon if you haven't. I give out all sorts of stuff on there, as well as music lessons. There's all kinds of stuff on there, really. Just go look. Tune in next time when I lose my eyes. Shout out to my patrons. You're now listening to Error. The link to check out his music is down in the description.